Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to refill your Zippo lighter. Very easy, very simple. So let's just jump to it. Here's the Zippo gas. The case, the lighter case, and the lighter. Okay, so you give him a shot, about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then give him a minute to okay, and then give another shot. So give it a minute and then put it back. There's my flame. Bigger enough. Whoa. That's strange. And I got my Zippo, my lighter refilled. So now I can smoke a cigarette or whatever I want to do with my lighter. As you can see, my wick is pretty burned up, and I'll have to cut it, change it, which I will show you in my next video. So yep, that's the way how to refill a Zippo lighter with Zippo gas, of course. And thanks for watching. See you next time.